Harsh production and operation environments are a challenging reality for many of Panduit's customers. To address demanding needs for bundling strength, vibration, high temperatures, corrosion, and other weathering conditions, Panduit's Pan-Steel Ties and Installation Tool System provides a strong and reliable solution for varying applications throughout industries like oil and gas, shipbuilding, 5G utilities, renewable energy, electric vehicle and electric vehicle supply equipment, transportation, including rail, and heavy-duty vehicles. Pan-Steel stainless steel ties, strapping, and installation tools meet and exceed standards required by these industries through stringent testing to demonstrate superior loop tensile strength for improved performance and application versatility, corrosion and weathering resistance to increase product life expectancy and reliability, and low thread force to speed installation and improve user convenience. These tests also validate our innovative self-locking head design. Its lead-in design offers a wider entrance for easier threading, while the aggressive locking mechanism and extended retaining tab contribute to superior locking strength. And the unique locking ramp assures locking in any position along the body. With these features, ties can be installed 3 times faster than other solutions to save time and total installed costs. Our combination of engineering expertise and state-of-the-art manufacturing facilities supports a quality-first approach to further prioritize safety and performance. Tie heads are inspected through special image screening to ensure the ball lock mechanism is properly in place. Coated body material is actively measured for uniformity and thickness. And all tie bodies feature rounded edges and flush cutoffs with proper installation tools to avoid damaging cable insulation or injuring installers. Strong, safe, and reliable, Panduit's Pan-Steel Ties and Installation Tool System is the ideal solution for all your harsh production and operating needs.